Alright guys, in a row my pick one, thanks for the quick fill. 11:42. We're gonna live. We are live. 11:42. 11:42. Grab a list here. And we will drop it into random. 10 entries. Joe up on top, Frank on the bottom. Alright guys, 2 dice, 5 or higher. 4 is not high enough. We're looking for 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7, alright? 7 times, top spot, picks 1. Good luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 times. Dice is a 7. Next click, top spot wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats, Joe Bold. Spot number 5. You are the winner. Get in touch with me and pick out your bobble. We are done. 11:42. It's going to change over to 11:43 by the time I type done. We'll type done. We are done. 11:43. 11:43. Verification code and timestamp.